transmits mobile to mobile base. Do you copy mobile base?
Bringing health care directly to those least able to access it through its community health programs, or CHP, with its care team is but another example of the commitment by the Watts Health Foundation to render personal health services in a setting of dignity. The Pediatric Mobile Unit assists in the battle against health problems, which are often treatable by preventive care, such as immunizations to children that would otherwise go untreated.
To me, it was faster, and I don't have to, take a lot of time looking for a doctor. And she was nice too, the doctor. She was polite.
Many persons in the most at-risk groups do not seek health care for a number of reasons, most prominent being lack of transportation and resources. With the use of mobile medical units, these hard-to-reach groups can gain access to advanced diagnostic radiology treatments like mammograms or prostate cancer screenings. The Watts Health Foundation has been providing care from its mobile unit since 1988, and no other group is more in need of such services than our senior citizens, the fastest growing segment of our population. There is an emphasis on maximizing the independence of the elderly as a more humane way of treatment, as well as being far more cost-effective than institutionalization. The diverse staff takes a case management approach, carefully monitoring each patient to ensure their safety and care.
The doctors decided for me to come here, and I've learned how to crochet here, draw, different things, and I really enjoy it.
Another at-risk group, expectant mothers, is targeted by the care team through the maternal and child health program.
When I was pregnant with my other kids, I didn't really keep up with all my prenatal care classes, prenatal appointments, because sometimes I didn't have money to get to my appointments and stuff, so I would miss my appointments. But it was different for me when I was coming here because they had transportation that came to pick me up and see to it that I got to all my appointments. So therefore, when I was pregnant with him, I made it to every appointment because I had to wait, back and forth.
A rapidly expanding group whose health needs are also being responded to by the care team are those with the HIV virus or AIDS.
When people find out that they're HIV positive, it's like a one-stop shop. You come in here, you find out your results, you've got case management, you've got assistance in obtaining benefits if you need to, support system that's already built in. You don't have to go outside of the organization to get the answers.
Adolescent development and associated problems are addressed through the teen clinic services. This program focuses on human sexuality and decision-making skills. The House of Uhuru, Swahili for Freedom, is a vital part of the care program dealing with the serious problem of drug abuse in our communities. Its comprehensive services include alcohol and drug-free living centers, outpatient treatment, counseling, and mother and infant residential services.
It was more better by having a doctor that sat down, and went over with me and talked to me about the place. I like the one they do that and to let people know that it is somewhere where people care about you and care about what happens to you. And it is a place where you can get clean without any medicines or any people think that it'll be medicines or shots or some kind of therapy that they'll give you, but it's just unconditional love, just loving you and teaching you how to love yourself.
Whether it be here at the House of Your Hero or at the Watts Health Foundation, all the employees are wonderful and have real good personalities and they treat you really good. And I'm real happy. Muchas gracias por todos los empleados de Watts Health Foundation y también la Casa de House of Your Hero.
The expanded services provided through the care programs present a major financial cost, particularly considering the cost of a mobile unit is from $100,000 to $300,000 to build and about the same to operate each year. Not to be deterred, the Watts Health Foundation is meeting this challenge with innovative fundraising concepts like celebrity concerts and other outreach fundraising efforts.
Mobile Medical Center came about through the efforts of the Reardon Foundation. And Mayor Reardon, when he was Citizen Reardon, concerned about our community. And I'm saying that because oftentimes people say that they only come around when they want something. But he has been around when there was a need and a concern. And this Mobile Medical Center, which is on its way out to the community, came about specifically with the actions of Mayor Reardon. Thank you. Thank you. Our mayor has agreed to be the honorary chairperson of the Watts Foundation Community Trust. And let's give him a hand for that.
The newly created Watts Foundation Community Trust will help ensure financial support for this expanded vision. The trust is charged with raising funds to fuel these pioneering efforts. It is made up of foundation staff members, community leaders, and financial experts. Their theme, Unity Makes a Difference, underlies a spirit of giving that propels the vision as exemplified in the new Employee Support Program.
For instance, the mobile units have received a lot of employee support. There's the pediatrics, the House of Uhuru, the AIDS program, and we just want to remember that in our program that we're giving the employees, that we make sure they know that this is for those in need.
Michelle, what impact would this have on the outside community?
May I answer that, Michelle?
Sure, Marcia.
You know, it seems to me that we can provide no better example to the outside community than the demonstrated investment by our own employees who are giving in support of and in response to the health needs of their own community.
An example of what can happen is what we've seen with the employees from Pacific Care, where through their support and giving, we were able to start a mobile X-ray unit. I'm thanking you in advance for the kind of support that I know that you will give to us.